Right now, as you watch this video, the Earth beneath your feet, our entire solar system, and even the massive Milky Way galaxy itself, are all being pulled through the dark depths of space at a staggering speed of 600 kilometers per second. This is hundreds of times faster than a speeding bullet. But the real question is, where are we headed? Hidden beyond the edge of our universe, obscured by the thick dust clouds of our own galaxy, lies something immense, something light itself cannot fully reveal. Scientists call it the Great Attractor. It is so powerful that it acts like a cosmic magnet, pulling thousands of galaxies toward it. And we are all drifting within this cosmic river, flowing toward an inevitable destination. While 8 billion people go about their daily lives, almost no one realizes we are part of this massive celestial exile. Today, we are opening the doors to a region that defies the laws of physics, a place few dare to talk about. If you're ready, we are embarking on a journey toward the universe's ultimate hunter. To understand where we are going, we first have to talk about the sheer scale of the force that is pulling us. For decades, astronomers noticed something strange. Our galaxy wasn't just drifting aimlessly through the expanding universe. It was being targeted. Every star you see in the night sky, every planet, and every black hole in the Milky Way is part of a massive cosmic migration. We are heading toward a region of space located about 250 million light years away. But here's the problem: when we point our most powerful telescopes in that direction, we see nothing. Or rather, we see a wall of dust and stars from our own galaxy that blocks our view. Scientists call this the zone of avoidance. It's like trying to see a massive mountain through a thick, impenetrable fog. However, using X-ray and radio astronomy, we finally managed to peek behind the curtain. What we found was not a single object, but a gravitational scar in the fabric of space-time. This is the Great Attractor. It isn't just a giant black hole. It is a gravitational anomaly so massive that it contains the mass of tens of thousands of Milky Ways. It sits at the heart of what we now call the Laniakea Supercluster, our cosmic neighborhood that spans over 500 million light-years. Imagine Laniakea as a giant watershed, and every galaxy is a drop of water flowing down mountain. The Great Attractor is the bottom of that valley, the point where all paths meet. But what exactly is happening at the center of this anomaly? Some theories suggest it's a massive concentration of dark matter, the invisible glue of the universe that we still don't fully understand. Others believe it might be an indication that our understanding of gravity is incomplete. As we move closer at 2.2 million kilometers per hour, we are witnessing a battle between two titan forces, the expansion of the universe, which wants to push everything apart, and the Great Attractor, which wants to pull everything together. This isn't just a journey. It's a cosmic tug-of-war that will determine the ultimate fate of our galaxy. If the Great Attractor wins, we are headed for a massive collision of galactic proportions. If the expansion of the universe wins, we might be spared from the beast at the center, but we will be left alone in an island of darkness. Every second that passes brings us 600 kilometers closer to finding out which fate awaits us. We are travelers on a one-way street, and the Great Attractor is the ultimate destination that no one invited us to, yet we cannot escape. Beyond the edge of our vision, hidden directly behind the curtain of dust and stars of the Milky Way, lies something so immense that the human mind struggles to comprehend it. The scientific world calls it the Great Attractor. But even that name fails to capture its true power. We cannot see it because the center of our own galaxy, a dense layer made of billions of stars and gas clouds, stands before us like a solid wall. Behind this dark belt, which astronomers call the zone of avoidance, a monster lurks in the shadows, where even light cannot fully reach. The Great Attractor is unlike any celestial object you know. It isn't a single black hole or a single star system. It is a massive gravitational pit carved into the very fabric of space-time, pulling tens of thousands of galaxies toward it simultaneously. We are currently right in the middle of this cosmic river, like a boat without oars caught in a current heading toward a waterfall. We are flowing toward that inevitable end, completely beyond our control. Even massive galaxy groups like the Milky Way, Centaurus, and the Virgo cluster cannot escape this pull. We are all being dragged toward the heart of this massive magnet, at hundreds of kilometers per second. So, where does this cosmic river lead? For a long time, scientists searched for the source of this power. When we finally peeled back the curtain of dust using radio waves and X-rays, we discovered that the Great Attractor is actually the center of a massive supercluster we call Laniakea. In Hawaiian, Laniakea means immeasurable heaven, but for us, the heart of this heaven is a center of gravity with no escape. Here, galaxy clusters like the Norma cluster are packed so densely that the gravity they generate defies the expansion of the universe itself, while the universe tries to push everything apart. The Great Attractor is fighting a relentless battle to gather everything into a single point. What awaits us at the end of this drift remains a mystery. Perhaps in millions of years, there will be a massive convergence where everything gathers at one point, or perhaps the expansion of the universe will rescue our galaxy from the claws of this monster at the very last moment. But the truth is, we are currently prisoners of this cosmic current, in that dark region where light cannot penetrate and telescopes go blind. The universe's ultimate hunter continues to pull us silently toward it. We are merely passengers in this vast system, and the end of our journey is hidden within the dark heart of the Great Attractor. We said, if you're ready, we are embarking on a journey toward the universe's ultimate hunter. But does this hunter lead us to an expected end, or to a beginning beyond our comprehension? When we unlock the doors of the Great Attractor, the first truth we face is that we are far more helpless than we imagined. This hunter is like a ghost lying in ambush, behind the massive dust clouds and star clusters, at the center of our galaxy, behind that pitch-black belt astronomers call the zone of avoidance. A kingdom of gravity reigns where even light surrenders. As we are pulled toward the heart of this kingdom at 600 kilometers per second, we are actually witnessing the greatest physical battle in the universe. On this journey, not only the Milky Way but also massive galaxy clusters like Centaurus, Virgo, and Hydra are being dragged along with us. Thousands of galaxies have formed a cosmic river, like metal shavings chasing an invisible magnet toward that dark center. For a long time, scientists thought this massive force was just a concentration of matter. However, recent research shows that the Great Attractor is actually the heart of a 500 million light-year wide structure we call Laniakea. We are falling uncontrollably toward the bottom of this immense cosmic basin, toward the deepest point of the gravitational pit. Escaping the claws of this hunter is impossible because it warps the very fabric of the universe. On one hand, the universe is expanding, pushing everything away into an eternal loneliness. On the other, the Great Attractor shows relentless resistance to gather everything into a single point. This is a tug-of-war on a galactic scale. If the Great Attractor wins this race, millions of years from now, we will reach a massive cosmic collapse point along with all our neighbors. At that point, where light cannot penetrate and radio waves are stifled, no one knows if the laws of physics still function as we know them. Even as you watch this video right now, you have traveled thousands of kilometers toward that invisible center. The universe's ultimate hunter continues to pull us into its own darkness, with slow but steady steps. Perhaps what awaits us at the end of this cosmic exile is the answer to all of humanity's questions. Or perhaps the end of the road is nothing more than absolute silence. To unveil this mystery might mean facing the true face of the universe. All we have regarding the end of the journey is the chilling whisper of gravity and the endless flow itself. Perhaps, to fully grasp this magnificent mystery, just watching is not enough. Well, my friends, today we discussed what the Great Attractor is and what awaits us in the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions on your mind regarding this topic, be sure to let me know in the comment section. Remember, the Pure Science channel exists only to bring you the purest and most accurate information. Let's walk this path together. Join the Pure Science family. See you in the next video. Goodbye.